Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to reduce WhatsApp storage on your iPhone. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method. So first you need to open the settings on your iPhone, okay, like this. After opening here, you can get the general option. As you can see, just tap and open it, and in the general here you can get the option iPhone storage. Just open it, and here guys, here you can get the all apps. From here you need to find out the WhatsApp and open the WhatsApp. Okay, after opening the WhatsApp, here in the bottom right side corner of your screen, here you can get the settings option. Just tap and open it, and open storage and data option like this, and tap on manage storage, and here you can get the WhatsApp storage. As you can see guys, now if you want to reduce some storage for your WhatsApp, here you can get the files. As you can see, larger than 5 MB, forwarded many times. So as you can see guys, these files are taking more storage in the iPhone. As you can see guys, 8.88 GB, and another one is 1.41 GB. Not only this file guys, when you scroll down here, you can get your all chat which are taking more spaces on your WhatsApp. As you can see guys, now if you want to delete from the chat, just open the chat. From the chat you can also easily able to delete that files from the chat. Okay, so from here guys, you can easily able to delete the files and reduce the storage of the WhatsApp. So this is the very easy and very simple method. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.